Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, November 2nd. This is my full top-down analysis for the pound dollar. We're going to start on the monthly, work our way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So my main analysis on this pair on the monthly has been an expanding ABC pullback for a very long time. If that is true, then we're probably going up to at least a 1.5 area. But I am definitely starting to lean towards the idea that this is just lower lows, lower highs, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. We could just, respect these Fibonacci pullback of this last move down and just make another lower high and just keep on trending down. Definitely looks like simple price action, lower lows, lower highs may actually be what happens here. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. Now the pound dollar is the only dollar pair that has given us a very significant break of structure on the higher time frames. The weekly is almost tuned perfectly to this move up. You got high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, break a structure. That doesn't mean that it has to be a trend reversal, but that does mean that it's either has to be a pullback to the whole move up, going someplace between 38 and 78%, or if this really is a wave C on the monthly, then it possibly could be a trend reversal, and these higher time frames would make lower lows, lower highs, in a brand new downtrend. Either way, our primary direction on the higher time frames is definitely still down. Going down to the daily time frame, zooming out a little bit, this is where I've been saying that this is potentially a regular flat. Three waves down for A, three waves up for B, which by the way turned right at the 90% Fibonacci retracement of A, which is why I think it's a regular flat. And then possibly we're in a wave C right now. The target for a regular flat is, the 38% is a good target, but also the 100% right below that is also a very good target. Seems to me like it needs to make like a wave 4 and a wave 5, and then if it breaks structure, that would probably be the end of a pullback and the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it really is a trend reversal on the weekly monthly time frame, it may bounce here and then make a lower high and then make a lower high and then make a lower high and just keep on trending down in a brand new downtrend. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour structure is right here. If it breaks that, then we'll at least know that this last impulsive wave is over. First thing I would do at that point is put my Fibonacci retracement on that impulsive move and look to see if it makes another three-way pullback. If it really is going to make like a wave 4 or possibly just a subdivision of a bigger downtrend, then it would likely, break this structure, but then make a pullback to this last impulsive move down, someplace between 38 and 78%, and then end up continuing the higher time frame downtrend. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. For now, I got my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, but it does look pretty impulsive. It does look like it wants to break structure. Like I said, if it does, first thing I would do is throw my Fibonacci retracement on that 4 hour impulsive move. If it does decide to respect one of these Fib levels and make it a golfing move to the downside, then we definitely should continue to go short if the market gives us an opportunity to go short. So we are definitely still primarily looking for shorts on all these higher time frames unless we get a break of structure. And even if we do get a break of structure, it's probably just signifying that we're in a bigger pullback, like a wave 4 on the daily to 4 hour time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.